For decades, the Andromeda galaxy existed in our collective imagination as a calm, majestic neighbor. A vast spiral drifting silently through the local group, slowly approaching the Milky Way with a patience that felt almost reassuring. At 2.5 million light-years away, it seemed distant enough to study, yet close enough to feel familiar. But familiarity, as Hubble has now revealed, was an illusion. Something has changed. Not in Andromeda itself, but in our ability to truly see it. After more than 10 years of continuous observation, the Hubble Space Telescope completed one of the most ambitious imaging projects ever attempted. Over 600 individual snapshots were stitched together into a single mosaic containing nearly 2.5 billion pixels. Within that image, astronomers resolved more than 200 million individual stars, each one a pinpoint of light shining across millions of years of darkness. Hubble was never designed to do this. It was never meant to dissect an entire galaxy at this scale. And yet, when the final image emerged, it revealed something no one was prepared for. Andromeda was not peaceful. It was wounded. The image shows a galaxy tilted 77 degrees toward us, exposing its structure in unsettling detail. The northern half appears luminous and orderly, while the southern region is visibly disturbed, warped, and uneven. This imbalance is not cosmetic. It is physical evidence of trauma. With this level of clarity, Andromeda stops being a distant spiral and becomes a living system, one shaped by repeated violence, collisions, and gravitational upheaval. One of the first shocking discoveries was the presence of massive concentric rings embedded deep within Andromeda's disk. These rings were once thought to be harmless structural quirks, but Hubble's data rewrote that assumption completely. The outer ring, located roughly 10 kiloparsecs from the galactic center, glows with hot, blue, metal-rich stars. Young stars born in a sudden, violent burst. The inner ring, hidden in dust and only visible in infrared, was previously mistaken for a miniature spiral arm. Together, these rings tell a chilling story. They are shockwaves. Galactic ripples frozen in time. Computer simulations show that such structures can only form when a smaller galaxy plunges directly through the disk of a larger one. In Andromeda's case, all evidence points to Messier 32. Today, M32 appears as a compact dwarf galaxy, quietly orbiting its massive host. But hundreds of millions of years ago, it was likely far larger. Around 210 million years in the past, it slammed through Andromeda's disk like a stone dropped into a cosmic pond. The impact sent waves of compressed gas racing outward, igniting star formation and carving rings that still glow today. Hubble even revealed a mysterious gap in the outer ring, one that simulations reproduce perfectly when M32's trajectory is included. This is not speculation. It is forensic astronomy. Andromeda is carrying the scars of a collision we once believed never happened. But the rings are only the beginning. Extending far beyond the visible disk is one of the most haunting structures ever discovered, the giant southern stream. Stretching nearly 150 kiloparsecs into the halo, this river of stars is the shredded remains of a galaxy that ventured too close and was torn apart by Andromeda's gravity. These stars move in coherent orbits, like debris locked onto invisible rails, their motion preserving the memory of destruction long after the original galaxy ceased to exist. Hubble's new data reveals that the southern stream, the disturbed southern disk, and Messier 32 share nearly identical metallicity signatures. This chemical fingerprint suggests a far more ancient and catastrophic event than the recent disk collision. In fact, simulations now point to a massive progenitor galaxy known as M32P, a system with roughly 25 billion times the mass of our Sun. Between 5 and 2 billion years ago, M32P merged with Andromeda in a collision so enormous it reshaped the galaxy from the inside out. Nearly 20% of Andromeda's current stars may have formed as a direct result of this event. The oversized stellar population of intermediate age, long considered an anomaly, suddenly makes sense. Messier 32 itself may be nothing more than the stripped core of this once mighty galaxy, a survivor of a cataclysm that should have erased it entirely. If Andromeda could survive something like that, then its present calm is deeply misleading. For years, astronomers believed Andromeda was on a clear collision course with the Milky Way, barreling toward us at over 110 km per second. The merger was predicted to occur in roughly 4 billion years, giving rise to a new galaxy often nicknamed Milkomeda. But Hubble's unprecedented precision has complicated that narrative. Using refined distance measurements to dozens of Cepheid variable stars and improved models of local group dynamics, a 2025 study led by astronomers at the University of Helsinki delivered a startling conclusion. There is now only a 50% chance that the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide within the next 10 billion years. In other words, our fate is uncertain. A direct collision could trigger waves of star formation, destabilize planetary systems, and radically alter both galaxies. But even a near miss could be just as dangerous. Gravitational tides might stretch each galaxy into elongated streams, eject stars into intergalactic space, and disrupt orbits on a scale never before experienced. Andromeda's history shows us exactly what those tidal interactions can do. What makes this revelation even more disturbing is Andromeda's unexpected level of ongoing activity. Massive galaxies are supposed to age quietly, forming stars at a slow, predictable pace. But Hubble's ultraviolet imaging reveals brilliant clusters of young, blue stars scattered across Andromeda's disk, many in places where star formation should be impossible. The cause is not internal stability. It is lingering turbulence from past impacts. When galaxies collide, shockwaves compress vast clouds of gas, igniting star formation that can persist for hundreds of millions of years. Andromeda is still responding to collisions that occurred long before humanity existed. Instead of settling into old age, its structure has been violently reset, forcing it into renewed cycles of creation driven by destruction. At the center of it all lies Andromeda's nucleus, blindingly bright, dense, and oversized. Its stellar bulge is nearly twice as massive as standard galaxy formation models predict. It is asymmetric, packed with stars of wildly different ages, and aligned with inner dust structures linked to past mergers. This suggests repeated infusions of stellar mass dumped directly into the core. A nucleus like this is unstable. It can drive starbursts, alter orbital dynamics, and potentially feed the central black hole in sudden, unpredictable episodes. Hubble's data even hints at something more subtle, a faint, diffuse glow in the inner halo that may be the echo of a past outburst. Light scattered by dust, preserved as a ghostly afterimage of a time when Andromeda's core burned far brighter than it does today. Beyond the disk, the halo itself tells a brutal story. Once thought to be smooth and uneventful, it is now revealed as a tangled web of stellar streams, remnants of dwarf galaxies shredded and absorbed over billions of years. Some arcs loop gracefully. Others end abruptly, torn apart mid-orbit. Their metallicities vary wildly, revealing origins ranging from primitive dwarfs to chemically evolved systems. This is not passive growth. It is consumption. Perhaps most unsettling of all is the behavior of Andromeda's satellite galaxies. Many of them orbit in a vast, rotating plane, moving in synchronized motion. This strange alignment suggests a shared origin, likely remnants of earlier mergers that arrived together and were partially consumed. Those that survived remained trapped in a slow, fatal dance, gradually spiraling inward. Andromeda's surroundings are not peaceful. They are organized, efficient, and deadly. Taken together, the Hubble mosaic does not present a portrait of serenity. It presents a record of survival. A galaxy repeatedly struck, reshaped, rebuilt, and still bearing the evidence of every encounter. The warped disk. The off-center rings. The oversized bulge. The scattered metal-rich stars. The ghostly streams threading the halo. None of these features are random. They are testimony. Andromeda is not warning us of a specific event. It is showing us the nature of galaxies themselves. Growth through destruction. Order emerging from chaos. Stability built on the ruins of countless others. As we stare into this image, billions of stars burning in crystalline detail, we are not just looking at our neighbor. We are looking at a possible future. Whether through collision or near miss, the Milky Way will eventually feel the influence of this ancient giant. The universe is not quiet. It has simply been speaking in a language we are only now beginning to understand.